Hello students, a very good afternoon and welcome back. Let us solve one of the question of JEE Main 21st Jan 2026 Shift 2 का ये question है. And what is exactly the question is? The question is basically based on the inverse trigonometric function. So question is, let the maximum value of this function, that is sin inverse x the whole square plus cos inverse x the whole square, for x belongs to what here, in closed interval minus root 3 by 2 comma 1 by root 2 be m by n pi square, where GCD yani greatest common divisor, that you can also say HCF of this m and n equal to 1, then m plus n is equal to what? So let us see how to solve this question. Just I assume this as a function of fx. मैं इसको fx as a function of fx मान लेता हूँ. So this is what here, the sin inverse x the whole square, sin inverse x the whole square plus what, cos inverse x the whole square, right? Cos inverse x the whole square. Now what I will do here is, मैं इसमें एक आइडेंटिटी अल्जेब्रिक अप्लाई कर सकता हूँ, दैट इज ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर का, दैट इज व्हाट, ए प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर माइनस टू ए बी, राइट, माइनस टू ए बी. सो अगर मैं वो अप्लाई करूँ, सो वी कैन राइट हियर द साइन इनवर्स एक्स, right, this is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x, right, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x the whole square minus 2ab. So I can write here the 2 sin inverse x into what, cos inverse x, right, 2ab. Now you can, we know that the sin inverse x plus cos inverse x क्या होता है, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x जो है, that is equal to basically pi by 2. So from here मैं cos inverse x को अगर लिखूँ तो cos inverse x को मैं लिख सकता हूँ pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. So I can write this fx as what, fx को मैं क्या लिख सकता हूँ, fx equal to, this is pi, so pi by 2, basically pi by 2 the whole square minus 2 sin inverse x. Okay, and for cos inverse x I just write here the pi by 2 minus sin inverse x. Okay, sin inverse x. So this becomes what, pi square by 4, ये हमारा pi square by 4 minus what, अगर मैं bracket open कर दूं, so this is what, यहाँ पे pi sin inverse x, right? So 2 to 2 cancel, this is pi sin inverse, ये क्या हो गया हमारा pi sin inverse x and plus what, ये हो गया यहाँ पे 2 sin inverse x the whole square, right, 2 sin inverse x the whole square. Okay, now what I will do here is, मैं यहाँ पे क्या करूँगा, जस्ट आई अज्यूम दैट साइन इनवर्स एक्स को मैं एक नया वेरिएबल मान लेता हूँ कि लेट साइन इनवर्स एक्स को ना हमने टी सपोज मान लिया, साइन इनवर्स एक्स को हमने टी मान लिया. नाउ एफ ऑफ टी के लिए हम एक तरह से फंक्शन को सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे, उसका मैक्सिमम और मिनिमम वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. सो दिस इज व्हाट, पाई स्क्वायर बाय 4, आई राइट हियर द पाई स्क्वायर बाय 4 and minus what here, minus 2 pi t, right, minus pi t. So I can write this pi t plus what, you can see here the ये हमारा हो गया 2 tt square, right, ये तो t हो गया sin inverse x को t, 2 and t square. So I can write this way 2 t square minus pi t and plus pi square by 4. To solve this basically what I will do here is completing square method use करता हूँ मैं. तो 2 मैंने कॉमन ले लिया, तो this is t square minus what here, pi by 2 into t, right, pi by 2 into t and plus what, pi square by 4. सो कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर के लिए मैं 2ab का फॉर्मेट यहाँ पे तैयार करता हूँ. सो 2 इंटू वट, ये हो जाएगा पाई बाय 4 इंटू टी. सो b इज बेसिकली वट, पाई बाय 4 द होल स्क्वायर, राइट. सो आई एम जस्ट एडिंग दिस वैल्यू, सो विल सब्ट्रैक्ट पाई बाय 4 द होल स्क्वायर. ओके, and plus what, pi square by 4, pi square by 4. Now simplify this, so this combining the three part, t square minus 2 into what, pi by 4, pi by 4 into t plus pi by 4 the whole square, so a minus b the whole square, so t minus pi by 4 whole square we can write this, and this is what, minus 2 into this becomes what, ये हो गया pi square by 16, right, and plus what, pi square by 4. So this is cancel out, so this becomes 8. So now we can write this f of t function, f of t as what, this is t minus 2 times t minus, we can write t minus pi by 4 the whole square, right. You can see here we have here the minus pi square by 8 plus pi square by 4, so LCM is 8 minus pi square plus 2 pi square, so that becomes what, pi square by 8. Okay, pi square by 8. Now you can see कि t हमारा क्या है, t जो है वो sin inverse x है, और x के लिए हमें जो है वो क्या दे रखा है कि x जो है that belongs to what, minus root 3. You can see here x क्या है, belongs to minus root 3 by 2, minus root 3 by 2 comma what, 1 by root 2. Okay, so sin inverse x क्या हो जाएगा, एक तरह से sin inverse x जो है वो that belongs to what here, ये हो जाएगा minus sin inverse minus root 3 by 2, so that is what basically minus pi by 3, right, comma pi by 4, 1 by root 2 is sin inverse 1 by root 2 is pi by 4. So we can see here that t belongs to what, basically minus pi by 3 comma pi by 4. So now we observe here that f of t is maximum, this function is minimum, this function is minimum when मिनिमम व्हेन x t की वैल्यू जब हमारा क्या होगा π/4 होगा, व्हेन t इज π/4 we get f of t minimum, right? So when t is π/4, okay, t is π/4 we get the minimum value. So minimum value क्या हो गया इसका, minimum value is what here, minimum value of this function is basically f π/4 पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है, ये 0 हो गया प्लस का π²/8, so π²/8. बट वी आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड द मैक्सिमम वैल्यू ऑफ दिस फंक्शन. सो ये क्लोज इंटरवल में है, 1/√2 पे हमें क्या मिल रहा है, मिनिमम वैल्यू. सो ऑब्वियसली -√3/2 पे हमें क्या मिलेगा, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, बिकॉज दिस इज न क्लोज इंटरवल, राइट. सो देयरफॉर जो है हमें दूसरा वैल्यू -f माइनस एक तरह से √3/2. सो यू कैन से कि हमें किस वैल्यू पे फाइंड करना है, -π/3 पे वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. तो -π/3 पे जो है हमें कौन सा वैल्यू मिलेगा, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू, right, maximum value. So what will be the maximum value that we will find here, the f minus π/3, f minus π/3 that is what 2 times ये हो गया -π/3 minus π/4, right, the whole square and plus का what π²/8. just simplify this. So this is f minus π/3 equal to what here. So you can observe here this is LCM क्या हो जाएगा हमारा, ये 2 हो गया, LCM is 12 basically, right. So you can write here the -4π minus 3π, right, -4π minus 3π the whole square and plus what π²/8. So this becomes what 2 into ये हो गया -7π the whole square. So 49π² by ये हो गया हमारा 144 plus what π²/8, right. We can cancel this, so 72. Now take the LCM of 72 and 8, that is 72 basically. So this is 49π² plus what 9π², right, 8 9 72, right. So this becomes what 8 and 5, 58π² by 72. We can cancel this, right, this is cancelled by 2, so 29, and this is what 36. So now we can observe here the maximum value is what, basically maximum value is equal to what 29 by 36, 29 by 36 π². And we have given the maximum value of this function in the form of m by n and π², m by n π². You can compare here m or n, GCD of mn, GCD of mn is 1, right, common factor is 1. So we can observe here the GCD of 29 and 36 is also 1, 29 is a prime number, right. Now m and n we get here, the m is 29 or n is what 36. So m plus n basically we are asked to find. So this is 5 and 15, so 5 and 1, 65. 65 is the answer for this question. 65 is the answer for this question, value of m plus n. Hope you're clear with the solution. I will come with the new sets of question and the solution. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care.